Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about models. What is a model? Model is a word which qualifies or modifies the verb, or we can say that uh, it tells the mood of the sentence or mood of the situation. There are so many models: will, shall, can, could, like that, and there are so many semi models. Semi model means either we can use it as a model or we can use it as a action verb. Ought to, for example, ought to, dare, need, all are semi models. Today I am going to tell you the semi model need. Need sometimes need tells the mood or it modifies the verb, that is we can use it as a model, and model always requires a main verb or action verb first form of the verb after the model, and we can use need as a verb or need as a noun. Here are some examples. First one, I need go there. Here need is a model. How we can identify that? Suppose we replace with other models or will or shall or can, the sentence will become I can go there, I shall go there, I'll go there, I may go there, I might go there, like that. The sentence is correct. So here need is a model. I'll say all the model examples first. Next one is I need not go there. Here if we replace with can, I cannot go there or I will not go there. Sentence is correct. Here need is model. You needn't worry. Here need is a model. The action verb followed by is worry. Need you worry? Here need is a model. So we can ask, can you worry? Shall you worry? Like that. Need I come? Shall I come? May I come? Like that. Here need is a model. Need I help you? May I help you? Here need is a, in this sentence, need is a model, help is an action verb. You need not ask my permission. Here need is a model. Need we wait any longer or shall we wait any longer? We can make the sentences. So here need is a model. You need go there. And he need talk to me. See the sentence here, need, he need talk to me. Here we use need as the model. If it is an action verb, the sentence will the need will become needs depending upon the subject. If he is the verb, he is the subject, then need is the needs. If it is used as an action verb, here it is model. So he need talk to me. The model will not come in S or ES form or ED form, like that. Only first form it is coming. If need is used as action verb, the sentence, here are some more sentences. Here, I need to go there. Suppose if we replace need with shall or will, the sentence will become I will to go there, I can to go there. So this sentence is wrong. Here need is not a model, here need is an action verb. Second example, I need not to go there. Next is, you do not need to worry. Here need is an action verb, to worry is the infinitive form. You need worry to get depressed. Here need is an action verb. You do not need to worry. Here do is a helping verb and not need is an action verb. Do I need to come? Here do is a helping verb and need is the action verb. Here I need some winter clothes. Here need is a verb, action verb. We cannot convert this as I will some winter clothes or I can some winter clothes, and this is wrong. Here I need some winter clothes. Here need is action verb. You need to go there. Here need is action verb. He needs to talk to me. Here need is the action verb. So depending upon the subject, he, the sentence, the need will become needs. He needs to talk to me. If we change with the subject as they need to talk to me. Then she needs to talk to me. The verb changes on subjects. If you are using it as modal, it will not change. Always we use need. Some other example for action verb. He does not need to talk to me. She needs some winter clothes. She needs to talk to him. Does she need a mobile? These all are examples for action verb. Here, need, we can use it as a noun. For example, education is a need. Yeah, education is in a subject, verb, object format. Subject is education, is a verb, and need is object is either noun or pronoun. Here need is noun. We can use need as noun. There are some rules when we use modals. Modal come before not. That is, for example, in the above example, I need not go there. I need is modal, then not go there. And it will not say that I not need go there. The sentence is not correct. We never use it as like that. Use it like that. So I need not go there. The not come after the modal. And action verb will not come before not. If it is using as an action verb, if any action verb, it will not come before not. Need will never be a helping verb. We cannot use need as a helping verb. Then preferably a modal comes in negative and interrogative sentences. We are using modals in negative sentences and in interrogative sentences or questions. And S, ES or ED forms does not come with modals. It will come with action verb. Thank you for listening.